If YouTube TV loads slowly, channels buffering, menus opening late, or videos taking forever to start, you can fix it quickly with a few simple steps. Here's how to speed up your streaming instantly. Start by checking your internet connection. Slow loading usually means weak Wi-Fi. Move closer to your router or restart it. For the best results, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or connect your device using Ethernet. YouTube TV recommends at least 7 to 13 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. Next, restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close it, not just minimize, and reopen it. Restarting clears temporary glitches that slow down loading. If the issue continues, restart your device: Smart TV, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or phone. A reboot refreshes the device memory and speeds up app performance. Now clear the app cache. Also update your YouTube TV app to the latest version. Older versions load slower and may cause lag. Finally, reduce video quality temporarily by going to Settings, Video Quality, and selecting a lower resolution if your network is struggling. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.